Welcome to Donna Cooking, and I am super excited to share with you one of my most favorite cookie recipes. It's a ginger cookie, and it will be perfect to have with hot cocoa, tea, or coffee. So perfect, and you can share with your friends, maybe give as a gift in this holiday season. So come on with me. I've got an old family recipe here, and let's get started.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, making these delicious ginger cookies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!
How it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.